Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 18th of February 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, quite a volatile pre-market session for the Dow during Tuesday, obviously playing catch-up from being closed for the President's Day holiday on Monday. And you can see they're trading over around about 70 or 80 points in the pre-market session. And then the market opening at the 18,000 level there, finding resistance, moving lower and trading down towards the 17,950 level there. We do have a couple of signals here, but both of these were actually taken out before the entry price was filled. But because the software, when you reload the chart, doesn't know whether the entry price was hit first or the stop loss, it is shown as a black one there. Prices did move lower and say down to the 18,950 level. We see the buying coming into the market there with the green professional buying bar, and then prices trading up to the 18,000 once more. We've got the buy signal here as well. Let me just turn off the crosshair for a second. So we've got the buy signal there, and we see the market trading up to the psychological level there, so giving a potential profit on this trade, but struggling to actually close above. We've already got the resistance to the left there. You can see the market struggling with the 18,000, so a bit of a clue there that you want to consider moving the stop or taking some of the profits off the table there. So then prices trading sideways, coming back down, retesting. And then we see the market sitting around the stop loss area, the low of the professional buying bar, which is a critical point, as you will have seen from the additional training videos there. Market reversing and then managing to move to the upside. You see this time driving through the 18,000 psychological level there, and then trading all the way up to the 18,050 level there as well. Prices then have a look at this for around 3 attempts at going through this area, but fail miserably to do so. And then what's interesting is we end up with this situation here where we've got this resistance being built across, and you can see there how this came into play. So we've got the 18,050 level, the psychological level, which we can see here as well from this high, and the 18,045 as well. So these resistances combined, you can see why we had a problem here when the market traded up. You can see this resistance here again forming a triple top, and then we've got the psychological level in the way as well. As I said before, when you have a trade, if you've got the entry price below the psychological level in a long trade on the buy side, then it's not as good as you could have a entry price above the psychological level. So then you've actually got through these areas of resistance first and then onto the next psychological level. So here you can see this one is below the psychological level, but the market struggling to actually trade up towards it because of the resistance in the left here. This sell signal was later on in the session. This came in at about 25 minutes past 8. You see the market moving low there, but it's too late, and you can see how quickly the market becomes quiet thereafter. As I said before, there's no problem in staying in the trade overnight. That what you've got to deal with is the low volatility and the widening of the spread, which is why I tend to not trade sort of 8:30 onwards. In the daily charts, you can see yesterday the market trading and heading up towards that 18,105 level, which goes back to December there. And once again, I would expect the market to take this out with no problems at all, seeing a new all-time high. The volumes are certainly dropping off again now, and the volatility also. We can see this choppiness through January, and now we're starting to get some sort of sensible trading again. Yesterday, a bit of volatility, of course, as the market caught up with the being closed in the normal hours from 2:30 to 9:30 in observation of the President's Day celebrations. In the news, we've got 3 p.m. Let's have a look, see what we've got out. Nothing out at 3 p.m. But 7 p.m. we've got the FOMC minute announcement. So expect the market to be quiet in the afternoon session whilst the market waits for this. Alternatively, as I've said before in the market alerts, you can have a situation where the market continues to trade, gives a signal, and then trades in one direction up to that point as well. So it's a matter of seeing how much volatility there is once the market opens at 2:30 to actually gauge this. Right, let's have a quick look at the implied volatility. 1272, so up slightly on Fridays there, but not an awful lot. So you can see again the volatility now starting to calm down in this market, which is a great thing to see and means that we should get back to making some decent profits in sort of the trending market that we've now got back in place. Right, I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated, and all things equal, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.